If you have ever wondered why people can live to the age of 100 or more, it's the power of regeneration. So some cells have the ability to regenerate our body so we can live longer and longer. So this is called regenerative medicine. Today we're going to talk about mini liposuction and regenerative medicine. So how is that related? Let me explain. Regenerative medicine comes from the powerful cells that regenerate our body. Some of these cells are called stem cells, or what we're going to be calling them stromal vascular fraction. So these are cells that have got the tremendous ability to go anywhere in our body and regenerate wherever we have lack of. So if we're lacking cartilage, they will make cartilage. If we lack bone, they will make bone. If we lack muscle cells or heart cells, they will make these. So these are wonderful cells. And where are they in our body? Well, they are present in most of 3 places in our body. They're present in the blood cells, they're present in the bone marrow, and they are present also richly, guess where? Fat cells. So that's where we're going to do a mini liposuction today. We're going to get some of these pure fat cells and we're going to extract from them the regenerative cells, or what we call the stromal vascular fraction, or some we call them the stem cells proper, and we're going to concentrate them, and at the end of the process of getting them, we will be able to give them in the IV injection into the body or place them directly into the joint where we need them to regenerate that joint. So today we will need them to regenerate, a knee and a thumb, and that's where we're going to be ending with the injection. So we're going to start with a mini liposuction, get the fat, and then go through a process, and this process is very strict. We follow the Cell Surgical Network. We are one of the centers of the Cell Surgical Network affiliate, so we have a strict protocol to follow whereby every process is going to be the same as the Cell Surgical Network's affiliates. And we're going to end by having these cells, eventually we're going to be injecting them into an area where there is degeneration. So where is degenerative medicine? So degeneration is what happens as a wear and tear in your body, like the joints, and regenerative medicine is what we're going to be able to help with in degenerative conditions. So here you are, we can live to be 100, or at least we can fix all our degenerative diseases with regenerative medicine. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you have some information about stem cell now. Thank you.